What's up YouTube? Just finished making a little squat rack and pull-up bar just because the gyms don't know if they're open or closing. I no doubt they'll close when they open, so we start doing, well, we bought some gym equipment, just making some other gym equipment just because where I get most of my energy from is by working out and eating healthy. Changed my life and it might change yours, so it's worth giving it a shout, even if it's eating slightly healthier than you are normally, or having one less biscuit a week, or even going for a little walk. It all makes a big difference, and it will mostly change your life. But little catch up on, and if you've got any ideas or if you're doing anything like this at home, drop in a comment in down below. If you haven't already, like, subscribe. So yeah, let's roll. Seats are starting to take shape now, just need to sand the insides, do a little curve to that bottom, and it's roughly done. Paint the insides, then they'll be finished with. It's about 6 to do, so looking pretty dope. And the tank's nearly ready for primer. Well, it is ready for primer. You wouldn't believe how long it's took me to get to this stage. It's actually a pain in the ass, especially after I've dropped in it. Fucking put a massive dent in there. And all the repairs I've done. I don't know if you can see the insides, must be or not. That's pretty clean. So this is the best tanks there are. There's even around for these old bikes. So the primer that, when I primer that once, and then let that dry, and then do seats, primer the seats, and primer this again, and that'll be ready for paint. That'll be for someone I'll paint that when the weather's good. And that's the top of my housing. And then I've just got my throttle cables and oil pump cables and stuff I need to start doing. They're too long, so I need to figure out I'm short of them because I've dropped my handlebars, which I forgot about, which everything's at the wrong size now. So yeah, if you haven't seen what my last video was, I was in my bed. And yeah, it's turned out, it's just my TV, but yeah, if you haven't seen my last video, I'll put a link at the bottom. It's not much in depth, but it's hopefully it'll help a couple of people out. Even if it helps one person out, it's still really worth it. So I can't find much scrap metal anywhere, but we have got 2 plates, as you see me cut and grind. I mean, I've got some little box section, which most people only need roughly about just over a quarter or half of it. One's going to be on the back of a TV, one's going to be on the wall, and then the box section is going to pivot from each square piece of metal, and then put some tabs on it, and then put a bolt through it, and then a little washer and a wing nut, so I can clamp the TV in place when we're stationary, and then if I want to push it out of the way, I can push it out of the way, and we can clamp it down so it doesn't keep flapping around. All we've got to do after is make a template of the TV of bolt holes to a plate, which is basic way of doing it is just use some thin cardboard, as you'll see. I think it'll work, but we'll find out when we try it. But I'll make a template and then start cutting and welding it together. So I've trimmed one end and bolted it on just so you can see. That's going to be the hinge. Now be welded on, same with the other side, and then it should be able to come out TV. Welded it on both sides, and if I can get some kind of like threaded bolt with like a ball or some kind of thing on the end just to save, so it's even easier on my hand to turn. So I'll end the show to cut that side because you've already seen it once and I don't want to bore you. So I'll trim this side and then we'll come back to you when I go weld it. So that's the bracket pretty much finished. Just need to take it off, readjust it most probably, depending where, if I want to move the TV and give it some paint. Cut the table down. I would like that hanging out of some string coming out of the wall, but we'll see on that one. Need to swap some lights out. Could do is change the speakers out in this sub because I do like my music and I've only got one speaker working. Need some more hangers, make some more cupboards, put my heater in, fit a battery and stuff. So yeah, still more to come on this little thing. This is me making some stuff out of scrap. So yeah, I haven't really touched I haven't really made anything that interesting for a while. So yeah, hopefully save up, well, keep saving for my van, and then we shall go all crazy with that and do some more bike builds. I'm looking for some more bike builds. There's a new finished KC100, and yeah, we shall see you in a bit. If you haven't liked it or subscribed, do that now, down here and down there. So I'll catch you in a bit.